Right there is 2011 Subaru Legacy. So today's issue is power window right here, stuck on the up position. Um, I could hear the click on it, so pretty much I know it's not the switch, it's probably and also probably not the motor either, but uh, that is cable driven, so it gets kinked up inside like a spool it has, and that's definitely the problem with this system. We're gonna troubleshoot it, and then from there we'll decide if it is the motor, and we're gonna take out the whole assembly. So I got the ignition on, and I could hear the click. I don't know if you hear that. So the other windows, they they all work good, and then this back one, except for the front one, all I get is a click. With trying. Okay. So first thing is I'm gonna put a piece of tape on this, on the. I put a piece of tape on the glass, one here, just to hold the glass up. Because what I'm gonna do, just to get it ready. But I'm gonna take the Phillips screw head, and then another Phillips down here. Once you take those two off, I'm gonna pop this off, and then I'm gonna come to the side and pop this whole panel off, and I'm gonna disconnect all the cables from there. I'll show that part as soon as I get there. Okay, so I'm gonna get my little tape, pop this out, and then there's one down here. So it just covers for the Phillips. I'm gonna take that Phillips. There's one. And that's the other one, alright? Alright, so now I'm gonna pop this off. Once you pop that panel off, you should be able to get your fingers to the side. Go underneath it. Popping it out. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna lift it up. And that's it. Panel's off. I'm gonna take off this plug. That's that. So that's it for the door panel. So the door panel, main plug, then right here is where the door latches go and the door lock, and then down here you have another wire that has for this door light, that door light that's underneath. All right, and that's it. Panels off. All right, let me get my diagnostic equipment because I'm gonna test out the power doors through here. Let me look at the wiring schematic, and then we'll. So you got the blue and red, and the blue and white. That's going directly to the motor. What I did, jumping it. Well, you know what, I could do this. Take that part off and go directly in here. Yep, perfect. And I'm gonna go. So what I'm doing here, I'm gonna put 12 volts to directly to the motor. And I could hear the clicking. No, yeah, I could hear that. So now I'm gonna go the opposite. So of course, one way it's just a switch. So one way it goes up, one way it goes down. So let's see. Just switching it up. So now I just switch polarity. So yeah, so she's stuck. So the motor itself could be working. What it is the cable, that spool, it must be tangled in there, and you got to change the whole, literally the whole assembly. All right, I'm gonna try to get these two bad boys out, and these two I should be able to. Ah, man, this is gonna be fixed. Could I get that cable out? Cut this cable. I could get it this side. Oh yeah, there you go, right there. Bitch. There you go. All right, so I got that cable cut off for the motor. Damn, come on down, baby. There you go. Perfect. All right. So now take off these two tins. All right. Now, let's be able to get this window out. Perfect. So let's get these four. All right. So that's that. Be able to go up, sideways. Okay, so let's get this bad boy in there. What we'll do, we'll put it in like this. This motor in first. There you go. You don't want to kink nothing here. There you go. Turn it. There you go. Perfect. Alright. I want to go with the 4 screws. Put it in there. Also line things up. These bad boys on, and I'm gonna put the motor, the defaults. Come on, baby. Try to line it up. Come on. There we go. Okay. Now we got 3 for the motor. Get that motor lined up. Okay. 1. Alright, once snug those, I'm gonna do these by hand, get it nice. Take seal. That's it. Done. Now I'm gonna bring the mirror. I'm gonna bring the window. Drop that window in. Okay. So we make sure we have it on the rails. It's right here, the glass. Now I'm gonna hook up the panel, test it out. So I'm only gonna put just plug it in. Test it. Okay. Take the tape off. Okay. Don't worry. Good. Okay. So now let's unplug her. Plug it hard. Okay. Time to dress her up. So I'm gonna get that plastic on here. So I'm not gonna be recording that. That's pretty boring and nasty. This. this one on top. Let's see. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, get back to the front. That get from here. This one belongs on top here. Let's see. All right, perfect. Got the way. Put underneath. Go to the bottom light. About top it together right here. And you're so nasty. With that hole right there. That hole is right here. Okay, that's that. This one goes to speaker. That's that. Good. Main plug. This one goes to the bottom light. Alright. Put the panel on. That. Bottom light. Okay, that's that. Alright. So you guys can't see what I'm doing, but make sure this is all the way down. Make sure all these things are lined up. Nice. Nice. Perfect. Alright. Put these on. Come on, baby. Good. Lined up. It goes right. Okay. Then we got this one on top. This one. Okay. Everything here. Let me get key on. I did the account, so I might have.